So we put the course together for Kilmarnock, designed around the type of learners that they had and with the outcome that they could use. What they've done is work through from the beginning, food safety, health safety, all the way through. Today we've done a sausage sizzle, and the idea is being able to cook and probe the temperature of the sausage to show that you've got it over a safe temperature of 75 degrees. I think there's 5 unit standards they'll come out with, all based on health and safety and food safety, and the other one will be based on communication.
The most important thing I learned out of this course was being with the group and having a great time with the tutors. It's just been great being able to celebrate what we've just done as a group and having support from supervisors and extended family here to see what we've done.
Look, you can't fault them. They've been here early every day. They're really excited about doing it. You know, they've had a great time. Even now, after several weeks, they still think it's fabulous.